Um, we're going to Poland. So, magtutour tayo doon. So, let's create a DIY tour. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so, syempre gagamitin natin itong code ko. Just click the link below. Pag na-click nyo na yan, let's go to Krakow, Poland. Mag-check tayo ng trip. Let's create a tour. So, mag-check muna tayo sa Google Flights, no? Google Flights, Poland. Let's say, kapilin ito. Go. Oh, mura si January 15, no? Again, pagdating ng summer, mataas na siya, oh. Let's say, nandito na kayo sa Europe ng January, oops, wrong. January 15. So, syempre, round trip natin siya for 7 days, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8. Gawin natin ganyan, ano? Okay, done. Let's check how much. Search. No, si Ryanair. Si Ryanair, madalas din namin na ibubook at saka si Norwegian. Maganda yung time niya, 7:50 a.m. Let's select this one. Ryanair, and then yung return trip. Ay, pangit yung ano niya. Yung return trip niya. Yung return trip niya. Dapat pa lang. Masyadong ano. So, let's see. Ay, mash. Let's change kung ito. Let's change. Select natin si Norwegian. May magandang ano siya, flight. 7:45. Kaya lang tagal naman na ito. 3, 4, 5. Ito pwede na to. 11, 10 to 12:40. Pwede na to. 4, 9, 58. Okay. O kapag 4977 lang siya kay ano. Kapag dinirect book kay Norwegian Airline. Okay, let's go na sa ano dito. Mag-check na tayo ng hotels. So, January 15 to 22. January 15 to 22. So, let's see. 2 adults, 2 children. Meron tayong 10 years old. Meron tayong 9 years old. Kunwari. Let's check. Siyempre, kapag nag-research kayo ng mga tulad ng ganito, pero isang Schengen country lang yung pupuntahan niyo. Ayan. So, breakfast included. Doon tayo sa um, yung Medyo City. Siyempre gusto natin yung Medyo City. Airport train. Let's go. Ito marami nagbo-book dito. 75% nagbo-book sa Porcal. Ito, Central Square na lang tayo. So, let's see. 7 nights, 63,000. Tignan natin na. Tignan natin to. Check na natin yung mga hotel. 4-star hotel. 5-kilometer drive. Okay. Ito, 760. Pero apart hotel naman to. Hotel, Krakow. Ito. Maganda. For 620 meters na. 680. Natin. Tingnan natin yung mga ano. Ay, 41%. Let's see kung may breakfast. Pero sinelect naman natin yung may breakfast. Ito, 4-star. Siyempre, lagi tayong mag-4-star hotel or 5-star kung mayroong affordable. Ito, malapit lang. Ito, 4-star din. Um, Isa-isahin natin siya. Golden Queen. Okay. Ito. Pero ito medyo malayo. Pero parang may view siya ng lake. Tingnan natin. Oh. Ito maganda. Kaya lang medyo pricey na siya. 7 nights. 172. 70. 7 nights. So, 24,000 na siya. Pero 5-star hotel. Pero maganda siya, oh. AC Hotel. Malayo. 4.7 pound. Daniel Griffin Apart Hotel by Artery Hotels. Copernicus. 5-star hotel. Ito may mga mura. Yung kanya. Ito maganda rin siguro to. Okay. Ito pwede to. 4-star hotel. Okay, di-check natin. Wow. Rooms, family studio. Best price with breakfast. Meron siyang sofa. Very basic lang, minimalist. Walang masyadong ano. Tinao City Apart Hotel. Okay, X na natin. Hyatt Palace, Hyatt Place. Ay, ito maganda, oh. One king bed with a private parking, restaurant, airport pickup, children's. Ay, ganda. Okay, may naman siya. With sofa bed naman to. Children's stay for free. Ito with sofa bed din. Ito king bed. King bed with breakfast. King bed with breakfast. Optional. Pwede natin i-consider. Ito naman, 3-star hotel. 20 square meter. Ito, quadruple. 20 square meter. Ayan, meron siyang loft. Okay. Ito, triple. Parang triple siya. Classic triple. Okay, doon na tayo dyan. City Center. King Suite. Ayun, maganda. Medyo malawak siya, no? 44 square meters siya. Oh, nice. This is good. With breakfast na siya. 1 bedroom suite, 1 bedroom suite, sofa bed. Standard room. Ito maganda. Parang may double siyang gano'n. Ito, parang dalawang queen. 20 to 24 square meter. Okay. Great location. Breakfast for four apartment. May living room. Parang meron dito restaurant sa baba. Courtyard view. Ito naman triple room. Ayan. Okay, guest reviews. Multiple review. Very close to everything. Small hotel with nice and polite personnel. These bedrooms are lovely and spacious. Okay, maganda naman yung review niya. Well, it varies naman kasi sa mga sa mga guests. Ito 41,000 lang. 38 square meter. 41,000. Kasi 7 nights. Parang 5 night lang siya per night. Deluxe family. Deluxe family suites. Queen room. Okay. That's it. And then next, ano niya? Service apartment. With breakfast, 2 bedroom naman to. Okay to, 2 bedroom. 1 and 2. Okay siya, may bedroom. 2 bedroom. So, 55 square meter. Private. May balcony. Ito yung mga gusto ko. Tapos may kitchen siya. May kitchen where dishwasher. So, 90,000. With fireplace. Studio. Okay. Let's see. Nomadic. 4-star hotel. 3 minutes by foot. Main market. Malapit lang to main market square. Pag dito kayo sa Nomadic Urban Premium Suites. Junior suite with breakfast. Deluxe room. Ito is, ang nakalagay kung ilang square meter. Pero mukhang okay naman siya. Okay. Deluxe room. 28 square meter. 28 square meter. Deluxe. Okay, next. Ayan yung mga landmarks na pwede mong puntahan. Once you check in here. By foot to, mabilis lang siya puntahan. Mga 3 minutes walk lang to. 3 minutes, 5 minutes walk. Depende kung gano'ng kabilis maglakad. And then this shopping area nearby. Lapit lang siya. Okay, next. Mercury. Star with breakfast. Yes, 40. Oh, malaki siya. 42 square meter. May conference pa. With sofa, junior suite. Tram station. Ito okay din siya. That's 91,000. Phoenix. Aldens, Krakow. With breakfast na din to. 122,000. Okay. Next. Ganda. Ganda siya. Sweet. Superior room. 5 square meter. Okay. Windham, Krakow, Old Town. 197. So, magkano 197,000 sa 7 nights. That's around 28,000 per night. And this is 42 square meter bedroom. Maganda siya. Laki oh. Best deal. Like sa one bedroom apartment. 46 square meter. Aba, malaki siya, oh. One queen, one sofa bed. The next, one bedroom family. Ito, double beds. Dalawang ganito. How generous naman ito. Double. May loft siya sa taas. Okay, para sa mga kids sa taas. Ito naman, grand apartment. This is 70 square meter. Malaki siya. Ganda. Luxury, 127, 126. Sige, divide natin sa 7. That's around 18,000. Pwede na. Okay na, mura naman siya. One bedroom apartment for 2,000. Okay na yan. Then next, your main for a star hotel. Service park, standard apartment. And that's 49 square meter. Malaki siya. May kitchen, may dining, dishwasher. Okay. Deluxe apartment. This is 65 square meter. Malaki yung bathroom niya. May dining, may sofa, living room, loft type. May bedroom sa baba, meron sa taas. Okay. This is about 85,000. Okay, done na tayo sa hotel. Let's go to attractions sa Krakow. Marami rin pupuntahan sa Krakow eh. This is trip.com and please use my affiliate link. Available for all nationalities po ito. Okay? Thank you for using my link. So, ito na nga. So, pwede kayong mag-avail ng Auschwitz Birkenau guided tour with ticket hotel pickup. One day trip. So, that's per person 3,161. Kung apat kayo, check natin isa-isa. So, ito may salt mine with hotel transfer. Macau, Museum Gallery, Wilson Mine. Go-kart, may go-kart sila. Para sa mga kids. Evening experience. Ito, gusto mo to. Guided tour with pick up. Let's see. Kasi plus lang natin yung ating mga ano. Yeah. So, yung hotel na napili natin is yung kanina hotel. 7 nights. 7 nights is 126,599. And then yung tours. Tours natin is plus natin. Plus natin. Next. Ito kung gusto nyo ito, Archaeological Museum, Oscars ng Malta. Ito, try natin kung gusto natin. Hot spring with cable car. Pero parang meron na tayo. Ito gawin natin 4. Let's see. Kunwari lang to Hotel pickup. 1, 2, 3. So that's 16,000. tour. Isang tour run,
Manila.
16,000. And then next, salt mine with hotel transfer. Let's see.
Manila.
Let's see. Island tour. So, let's see. Let's say, padalawa na tayo. Evening experience. So, let's see. Para ganyan. Evening nga, di ba? Evening experience. Ito, pick up na lang para masaya. Hindi na tayo mapagod. This is 6 hours. 6 hours. Select time slot, 4 o'clock. Duration, 6 hours. Pwede mag-8 o'clock tayo. 6 hours wala to eh. Yeah. Ayan, may instruction naman dito eh. Sahin nyo na lang. The next, pick up ocean. Di ba ito na yun? Parang paragraphs na siya. Next na natin to. Kasi meron na tayo. Itong Sukupan nila. Tatra Mountain Tour. Say, kunwari lang yan ah. Student card. I'm not sure dito sa student card. Pero sige, lagay natin ganyan. Next, Animal Factory. English tour. Para safe. Sige, 12:30 na lang. Child. Let's see, meron na tayong 4. Tapos yung iba, pahinga na lang natin. Tapos airport transfer. Hindi na tayo mag-airport transfer. Let's see. Ito muna. 16,015 plus 27,254 0.84 plus 22,197.76 plus 21,230.84 plus 10,477.56. That's total of, including the 7 nights hotel, that is 275 for 4 packs. Divide natin sa 4, so parang per person is like, wala pang food to ha, 943.75 per person. Hotels and tours pa lang yan. So, mura na siya. Mura na. Kasi, dami naman pupuntahan eh. 5 naman yung tour. So, kung 7 nights, so 8 days. Meron kang free day na tatlo. Na 3 days. Tama? Tama. Palito. So, yun. That's it for today. Ayun na yung ating tour. See you again. Comment down below which tour you want to make for travel planning.